Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in study abroad opportunities with HSBC easy tutorial step by step clearly. To invest in study abroad opportunities with HSBC, begin by visiting the HSBC website. Navigate to the education section of the homepage. Look for information related to study abroad financing options. Choose the right loan or savings account that fits your educational needs. Read the detailed descriptions of each product offered. Check the eligibility requirements for international students. Gather necessary documents, including proof of admission and identity. Use the online calculator to estimate potential loan amounts. Decide on the amount you would like to invest in your study abroad experience. Fill out the application form found on the website. Submit your application along with the required documentation. Wait for the approval notification from HSBC. Once approved, review the loan terms carefully. Ensure you understand the repayment schedule and interest rates. Accept the loan offer and complete any additional paperwork. Set up online banking to manage your loan effectively. Use funds wisely for tuition, housing, and other necessary expenses. Monitor your financial plan regularly for adjustments as needed. Stay informed about any scholarship opportunities through HSBC. Consider attending HSBC webinars on financial planning for study abroad. Reflect on your journey and successfully prepare for your studies overseas. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.